Rolling, rolling, rolling on a river. Do, do, do. Hello and welcome to Katie.Pix. Oh, it's so nice to have you here in my brand new kitchen. I mean, we're at least a few months down the line by now, but I love it. It makes me so happy. Look how pretty it is. If you have any sort of creative touches that you think I should add in, then let me know in the comments box below. Today, we are showing you a fundamental kitchen hack, kitchen technique, something that most people need to know. That's what a hack is. I just described it 3 different ways. Today, I'm going to show you how to poach an egg. Stay with me. Don't get back here. Don't switch over. Don't you click that little move on to another video, because this is fundamental, great cooking advice. And I'm actually going to show you 2 ways to do it today as well. So the first way is my default method, and that is just to poach it straight into the water with a few top tip techniques. I've got a pan of water. I actually quite like using a heavy-sided frying pan-esque thing rather than a deep saucepan. I think I just like, I don't know where I'm going with that point actually. It's just the way I've always done it. I've filled it up with water, I've brought the water to a boil, and now we've dropped it back down. In fact, we've turned the heat off. The reason being is you are poaching an egg. Poaching is not boiling, it is not like simmering. It's a very light, gentle heat, but you still need heat in that water. I'm a swirl technique kind of gal. So I'm going to grab myself a spoon. I'm going to grab myself an egg at the ready. Now, the fresher your egg, the neater your poached egg's going to be. We're going to swirl it into a vortex. I've spilt water already. We knew that was going to happen. Crack your egg, and you're going to go straight into the center. Get nice and low down to the water, and let it go. You'll see that the water will start to wrap the white around the yolk, and that's going to help you get that lovely, perfect little poached pouch. That's why. Right. I don't know how you're going to edit this in. The reason I don't go for a really high tall saucepan is because you're thinking about that drop. You don't want to drop it through the water and let it travel through like a tadpole and just end up with this long kind of tail. A shallower base of water, it's got less drop, it helps it get that compact shape. That's why I do it. I forgot that's why I do it. That is why I do it though. So we're just going to leave this in the water at that perfect temperature for about 3 minutes. 4 minutes if you just want it a little bit further cooked, but 3 minutes you're going to get a lovely soft oozy egg. So here we have it, egg numero 1. Now I like to drain mine off on kitchen roll first, just because I don't like a soggy egg on my toast or what have you. So do whatever you want to. Holy crap, that looks so good. So technique number 1, as you can see, raging success. And that is the one that I would normally go to. However, it's a little more challenging if you have multiple eggs, especially if you're trying to do the vortex thing. Here is a great solution from Mr. Jamie Oliver, as we all know. I love and adore him. This is the cling film technique. So you're going to take your cling film or your saran wrap, you're going to slice off a square, and you're going to find yourself a little bowl, just something with sides essentially to capture your egg in. You're going to lay it into the bowl with a little drizzle of oil. Grab your egg, crack it nice and gently, trying to keep that yolk whole. Pinch it just above where the egg is and give it a twist. So you end up with a little egg sack. There is something so satisfying in the texture of that. I don't know why. That's great. Now the beauty of this technique means that you can get them all ready. People are, maybe you've gone away for the weekend with all the family and everyone's faffing around and you're like, guys, it's breakfast time. Auntie Vic's still doing her hair and Grandma's still in the shower and everyone's just like lingering, trying to kind of get people together, but you want to start cooking. Such a narrative. Get them all ready, get them lined up, and then when everyone's finally descended to the table, we can start cooking. Also, the beauty of this is you can flavour them to your very, own tastes. So let's do another one with a little pinch of crushed chilli. And then you're just going to pop these into your water, same as before, 3 minutes, let them do their things, and you'll end up with a perfectly poached egg. So being very careful, lift it out of the water. Luckily, because you've got it in the pouch, you don't need to drain it on kitchen roll or anything like that. We're gonna get some scissors, give it a little snip, and just fold it out. Like that! So there you have it, 2 very simple ways to perfectly poach an egg. Let me know which is your favourite technique in the comments box below. And if you want to see more from me, then why not subscribe? I'm here every single Tuesday. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye. Excellent.